The Monroe County District Attorney prosecutes people who break the law, and we learned today he broke one himself.
Kevin Croninger crashed his vehicle into an unoccupied car and drove away. As News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstad explains, he is apologizing today.
Yeah, that's right, Amy and Mike. Kevin Croninger received a non-criminal ticket for this incident, and today he told me he regrets driving away from that crash last December. The Monroe-County-Sheriffs-office asked the la-crosse-county-sheriffs-office to investigate a hit-and-run that happened on December 30th of last year. The reason for the conflict of interest is due to the person who drove away from that crash. Kevin Croninger works for Monroe County. He is the district attorney. Captain John Siegel interviewed Croninger. Croninger called the Sparta Police Department the morning after the incident and admitted to hitting the vehicle. Siegel said in the report Croninger was embarrassed about what happened, understood he should have stopped and made contact with the owners, and understood there would be consequences for his decision. Siegel said Croninger told him he was on his way home after being out with friends. He said he drank that night but didn't feel like he was impaired. Because Croninger didn't report the crash until the next day, investigators were unable to test his sobriety. Croninger also told Siegel his truck windshield was already frosted, so he allowed it to warm up so he could see through the center portion. However, all sides were still obstructed. That, too, is a violation of a Wisconsin state statute that says the windshield shall be kept reasonably clean at all times. Croninger issuing an apology, saying, "I am deeply sorry and remorseful for the incident. I didn't realize how much damage was done until the next morning. I self-reported it to the police that day. I knew I should have contacted police right away. The incident, while wrong, only involved non-criminal actions. Given this, I was issued a non-criminal citation. I owned up to it and paid the fine immediately. I'm human. I make mistakes, and that includes traffic violations." The report shows Siegel asked Croninger why he didn't stop. Siegel said he had no excuse. Croninger serves in a role with the responsibility of prosecuting people who break the law. Siegel acknowledged in the report. Croninger said he is not above the law, saying he knew he had not made the right decision. Now today we requested a comment from the Monroe County Administrator, their office telling me today that Croninger is an elected official employed by the state, and therefore Monroe County has no comment.
All right, thank you, Jordan. And News 8 Now also contacted the Wisconsin Office of Lawyer Regulations for a comment. We did not hear back.